7 months ago, the situation was dire. Entire nation was in grip of COVID-19 and a complete lockdown was in force. But with crowds reappearing in markets with a vengeance, times have changed fast for the corporate world as well. COVID-19 related uncertainties have receded, creating optimism for businesses, especially as against a particularly harsh situation in the previous few months. Other indicators like PMI, tax compliance, consumer sentiment and spending, credit availability, and buoyant financial markets have fed into the positive sentiment as well. All these factors have contributed to a sharp rise in Business Today's latest Business Confidence Index. In June, business confidence was at its lowest in 2 years. But about 3 months later, the sentiment has moved up to its highest level in 30 months.
There is a lot of positivity all around in terms of the high frequency indices. So whether it is tax compliance, whether it is the PMI indices, etc., I think that the buoyancy in the economy is what is making them feel much better and much more confident about the future.
Ratings show major improvement across all 5 parameters that form the survey: the overall economic conditions, financial situation, demand conditions, profit margins, and hiring conditions. And the optimism is spread across all kinds of industries, from services to heavy industries, where the recovery has been particularly sharp. The survey says that 45% of respondents expect a boost in economic activity and employment from the government's asset monetization plan. Some 80% respondents said they are financially prepared to deal with a possible third wave of COVID-19. Business leaders are sanguine about the December quarter as well. Apart from hiring conditions, ratings have improved for all other parameters: economic prospects of the business, overall economic situation, demand conditions, and profits.
Every passing sort of wave has turned out to be slightly easier to handle, and I think in terms of the COVID infection, and I think they believe that the corporate sector is now much better prepared to take on COVID-related disruptions in the future.
Industry is confident that with the inflation below the red line, interest rates will stay soft for the foreseeable future. The loan moratoriums and restructuring efforts have helped as well. The only hiccup is corporates may face financial stress when those measures are rolled back over the next few months. Bureau Report, Business Today Television.